Hey travel lovers, welcome to Travel with FSB, your gateway to thrilling adventures and captivating journeys around the world. Our channel is your ultimate destination for awe-inspiring travel experiences and immersive vlogs. Today's video is about Maldives, officially the Republic of Maldives, and historically known as the Maldive Islands, is a country and archipelagic state in South Asia in the Indian Ocean. The Maldives is southwest of Sri Lanka and India, about 750 kilometers, 470 miles, 400 nautical miles, from the Asian continent's mainland. The Maldives' chain of 26 atolls stretches across the equator from Ihavandipuhu Atoll in the north to Adu Atoll in the south. The Maldives is the smallest country in Asia. Including the sea, the territory spans roughly 90,000 square kilometers, 35,000 square miles, with a land area of 298 square kilometers, 115 square miles. The Maldives is one of the world's most geographically dispersed sovereign states, and the smallest Muslim country by land area. With a population of 515,132 in the 2022 census, it is the second least populous country in Asia and the ninth smallest country in the world by area. Malé is the capital and the most populated city, traditionally called the King's Island, where the ancient royal dynasties ruled from its central location. The Maldivian archipelago is located on the Chagos-Laccadive Ridge, a vast submarine mountain range in the Indian Ocean. This also forms a terrestrial ecoregion with the Chagos Archipelago and Lakshadweep. The Maldives has an average ground level elevation of 1.5 meters, 4 feet 11 inches, above sea level, and a highest natural point of only 2.4 meters, 7 feet 10 inches, making it the world's lowest lying country. Some sources state the highest point, Mount Valingalai, as 5.1 meters or 17 feet. The Maldives has been inhabited for over 2,500 years. Documented contact with the outside world began around 947 AD when Arab travelers began visiting the islands. In the 12th century, partly due to the importance of the Arabs and Persians as traders in the Indian Ocean, Islam reached the Maldivian archipelago. The Maldives was soon consolidated as a sultanate, developing strong commercial and cultural ties with Asia and Africa. From the mid-16th century, the region came under the increasing influence of European colonial powers, with the Maldives becoming a British protectorate in 1887. Independence from the United Kingdom came in 1965, and a presidential republic was established in 1968 with an elected People's Majlis. The ensuing decades have seen political instability, efforts at democratic reform, and environmental challenges posed by climate change and rising sea levels. The Maldives became a founding member of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC. The Maldives is a member of the United Nations, the Commonwealth of Nations, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, and the Non-Aligned Movement. The World Bank classifies the Maldives as having an upper-middle income economy. The Maldives is a dialogue partner of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Fishing has historically been the dominant economic activity, and remains the largest sector by far, followed by the rapidly growing tourism industry. The Maldives rates high on the Human Development Index, with per capita income significantly higher than other SAARC nations. The Maldives was a member of the Commonwealth of Nations from July 1982 until withdrawing from the organization in October 2016 in protest of allegations by other nations of its human rights abuses and failing democracy. The Maldives rejoined the Commonwealth on February 1, 2020, after showing evidence of functioning democratic processes and popular support. Maldives is the beautiful country in Asia and traditionally called the Kings of Island in the world. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comments and share.